Welcome to my YouTube channel Al-Shifa Medical Information. Gonadil-F is a prescription medication formulated to address various male sexual health issues and certain infertility disorders. Manufactured by Getz Pharma. Each capsule contains 300 mg of Tribulus terrestris extract, along with L-opti zinc, vitamin E, and selenium. Uses: Gonadil-F is primarily used for enhancing libido and addressing decreased sex drive, managing premature ejaculation, treating erectile dysfunction and weak erections, combating sexual asthenia, weakness, and reduced stamina, addressing male infertility issues such as oligospermia and oligoasthenospermia. Dosage: the typical dosage is 1 to 2 capsules taken once or twice daily with meals, over a period of 4 to 12 weeks. However, the exact dosage and duration should be determined by a healthcare professional based on individual needs. Side effects: while Gonadil-F is generally well tolerated, some users may experience headache, nausea or vomiting, abdominal or pelvic pain, drowsiness. If any adverse effects occur, it's advisable to consult a healthcare provider. Precautions: individuals with known hypersensitivity to any of the ingredients should avoid using Gonadil-F. It's essential to follow the prescribed dosage and not to self-medicate. Consult a healthcare professional before starting Gonadil-F, especially if you have underlying health conditions or are taking other medications. Availability: Gonadil-F is available in Pakistan and can be purchased from pharmacies with a valid prescription. It's also available through reputable online pharmacies. Always consult with a qualified healthcare provider to determine if Gonadil-F is suitable for your specific health needs. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and press the bell icon. Thanks for watching.